Most people go to Kenya for the big five. But the real show, it's in the skies. From Fisher's lovebird to fish eagles, Kenya has over 1100 bird species. And here's the part few talk about. The best sightings aren't inside national parks, but in conservancies, community-run lands where tourism funds both wildlife and locals. Fewer jeeps, more bird songs. So when you plan your next safari, my advice is skip the crowd. Stay in a conservancy. You'll still spot the big 500